Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Miguel, and today I will review another portrait time-lapse. On this channel I have drawn many portraits, and you can check out all these time-lapse videos on one of our playlists. And this time around I will be reviewing a time-lapse portrait of AOC. So let's get right to it. So here we have AOC, who has a very distinct face, and what I really enjoyed about drawing her is the face of her hair. It's very long. I don't often have drawn a lot of figures with long dark hair. So here it's really easy to capture the shape of her head in proportion to her hair. So I actually started off drawing her hair right away, which it's one of the rules you shouldn't do when drawing pastels, but you know, when you get to know the rules, you can break them. So here I've started drawing the ears, and I've got most of her outline done. So there's a lot of contrast and shadows in these areas that I really pay attention to, so you can bring out the contrast. It's one way to make your portraits pop, is to pay attention to a lot of the shadows. And so here I've gotten down all of the highlights. In this portrait there's plenty of highlights that I played around with. Here her lip color is very prominent, so getting all the dark colors in on the hair. I made sure all of the features are done on the face before I get to the hair last. So here it is. I have completed a time lapse of AOC. You can see where the hair is obviously really dark. I try to avoid using black, or I at least use the black color last. And that's one of the distinct features of AOC, is her long dark hair. So I made sure that's very, add in a lot of dark colors to make it really pop out. So I hope you enjoyed that review, and let me know in the comments what you think, and what maybe I could do another review on the other portraits that I've done. So go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that bell notification, and share with your friends and family, and I hope to see you on the next one.